Hi, I'm Dr. Regine, an adult cardiologist in the Philippines, and this is Cardio Notes MD, where I share simple, practical ways to protect your heart. Alam niyo ba, sa maraming developed countries, bumaba ang deaths mula sa heart attack at stroke sa mga nakaraang dekada. At hindi lang ito dahil may mas marami silang gamot o ospital. Malaking dahilan din ang prevention. Ibig sabihin, hindi sapat ang gamutan lang. Kailangan magkasabay ang prevention at treatment. So, ano bang prevention? May 3 levels yan. Number 1, primordial prevention o iwas risk factors pa lang. Ang goal nito ay pigilan magkaroon ng unhealthy environment at lifestyle na nagtutulak sa hypertension, obesity, smoking, at diabetes. Ang example nito ay healthy food access, safe place to walk and exercise, smoke-free environments, and health education. Sa Pilipinas, meron tayong Syntax Law, Clean Air Act, and school nutrition programs. Kapag mas healthy ang environment at ang habits, mas mababa ang chance na magsimula ang mga risk factors. Second, primary prevention. Meaning, may risk factors ka na, pero wala ka pang cardiovascular event. Halimbawa, may hypertension, diabetes, obesity, o mataas na yung cholesterol mo, pero wala ka pang heart attack o stroke. Dito important ang healthy diet, exercise, BP, sugar, at cholesterol control, regular check-up, and smoking cessation. Sa Pilipinas, meron tayong PhilHealth Consulta, Barangay BP and Sugar Screening, DOH Hypertension and Diabetes programs. Ang goal ay pigilan ang unang heart attack, stroke, or any major cardiovascular event. Ang pangatlo ay secondary prevention, meaning may cardiovascular disease ka na. Iiwasan lang natin na hindi ito mauulit. Para ito sa mga may heart attack na, stroke, or any cardiovascular diseases. Examples nito ay maintenance medications, lifestyle changes, cardiac rehab, at regular follow-up. Sa Pilipinas, meron tayong PhilHealth coverage for some heart procedures, DOH access to essential medicines, and hospital-based follow-up and rehab programs. Ang goal ay maiwasan ang bagong atake,